Imagine a camper that combines Toyota's legendary reliability with the freedom to explore almost anywhere. The 2027 Toyota Nomad Camper is designed for travelers who want to leave busy cities behind and experience life on the open road. Whether you're planning weekend camping trips, cross-country adventures, or off-grid exploration, this concept promises to deliver comfort, capability, and confidence in one rugged package. While Toyota has not officially confirmed all the specifications, the Nomad Camper presents an exciting vision of what a modern overland vehicle could become. From the outside, the Nomad Camper immediately grabs attention with its tough and purposeful appearance. Built on Toyota's proven off-road platform, it features a high ground clearance, aggressive all-terrain tires, reinforced front bumper with an integrated winch, skid plates, and protective rock sliders. The camper module is lightweight yet durable, offering a streamlined shape that improves aerodynamics while maximizing interior space. Large side windows provide natural light, while roof racks allow owners to carry kayaks, bikes, solar panels, or additional storage boxes. LED headlights and auxiliary off-road lighting ensure excellent visibility during nighttime adventures. Step inside, and the Nomad Camper transforms into a compact but highly functional living space. The interior is designed to make every inch count. A comfortable sleeping area easily accommodates two adults, while the convertible dinette serves as both a dining table and workspace. The kitchenette includes a compact refrigerator, induction cooktop, sink, and practical storage cabinets for cooking essentials. Modern features such as USB charging ports, wireless connectivity, climate control, ambient lighting, and a digital control panel make life on the road more convenient. Additional storage compartments are cleverly integrated throughout the cabin, helping travelers stay organized during extended trips. Performance remains one of the Nomad Camper's strongest qualities. Toyota is expected to offer a powerful turbo diesel or hybrid powertrain paired with an advanced automatic transmission. A full-time four-wheel drive system, locking differentials, multiple terrain modes, and advanced suspension tuning make it capable of handling rocky trails, muddy paths, desert terrain, and snowy roads with ease. Despite carrying a camper body, the vehicle is engineered to maintain stable handling and impressive towing capability for extra adventure gear. Pricing has not been officially announced, but industry expectations suggest the 2027 Toyota Nomad Camper could start between $85,000 and $110,000, depending on trim level, equipment, and optional accessories. While it represents a premium investment, buyers receive a dependable adventure vehicle that combines transportation, accommodation, and off-road capability into one complete package. The 2027 Toyota Nomad Camper represents the spirit of freedom and exploration. It blends rugged engineering, practical living space, modern technology, and Toyota's trusted durability into a camper designed for unforgettable journeys. For adventure enthusiasts dreaming of discovering remote destinations without sacrificing comfort, this camper could become one of the most exciting overland vehicles of the future.